and Malayali. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for the one and only ultimate leading man, Mr. Piolo Pascual.
Thank you, Direk. Maraming salamat po. Good evening, everyone. How are you guys doing? Okay ba kayo? Alright, well, galing po kasi ako sa shoot and I'm also going back, so I have to rush it. But anyways, it's such a big honor to be given this kind of recognition. I've been in the business almost 30 years, to be exact, but you know, it's always something new when you receive something like this. But what it really means is it's an inspiration for me to always give it my best, to always push the envelope and make it better every time I do something. So, malaking karangalan po ito sa akin na mabigyan ng ganitong award at my age. Maraming salamat po sa Gawad naman. Mabuhay po ang pelikulang Pilipino. God be the glory. Good evening, everyone. Thank you so much.
Ladies and gentlemen,
pwede ba magpa-picture?
Like naman sa limelight, the secret po. I just want to fill out. How important is once especially prayer. So, how about this award? For your success. We are here at the Gawad Dangal Philippine Congress. A pleasure to speak with some of the awardees. We have Miss Patricia, Javier, and my husband. Hi.
1, 2,